bargain hunters, meal preppers, sous vide enthusiasts, if you fall into any of these categories, then the best vacuum sealer is a must-have. At their most basic, these countertop gadgets remove air from specially made plastic bags. There are many vacuum sealers to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best vacuum sealers from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. FoodSaver Cordless. If your jobs are small and quick as opposed to heavy duty, a handheld vacuum sealer machine is the way to go, especially if you're looking to make the most of precious cabinet or counter space. As noted above, handhelds require special zip-top bags or lidded plastic containers that have a built-in valve. That means you can't customize your bags, but the bags are reusable and come in a range of sizes. We love how small and low-profile FoodSaver's cordless version is. It's about the size of a short pepper grinder, and it has a plug-in base to keep charged while not in use. The manufacturer says the device can seal up to 61 quart bags on a full 24-hour charge. We tested this model by vacuum sealing 10-quart size bags of rice, and it never faltered. The bags were not quite as brick hard as those sealed with the countertop machine, but very close. Number 2. Nesco Vacuum Sealer. Even though it's around half the cost of the FoodSaver above, this vacuum sealer still nearly made our top spot. If it had a built-in handheld sealer, it probably would have. It was almost identical in performance to the FoodSaver, but even quieter. Just like the FoodSaver, it had wet and dry modes as well as a pulse for fragile items. It similarly had built-in bag roll storage and a cutter to make it easy to make your own custom bags. An extra feature we liked was its digital display that counted down, so we knew just how long the vacuuming and sealing would take. It also gave the option of selecting a double seal for extra protection, and the unit is lower profile than the FoodSaver too. Number 3. Innova Precision Vacuum Sealer. The Innova is designed not just for effective food preservation, but for experimentation by those who are infusion curious or want to find out what compressed ingredients are all about, and that's why we love it. In addition to the basic strong and normal factory settings for vacuum sealing, which can be adjusted for longer or shorter vacuum and sealing periods, the unit comes pre-programmed with options to infuse or extract, compress or pickle, and dry or cool. The Innova website offers recipes for all of the above techniques, as well as additional tips such as using the strong vacuum function to quickly hydrate cookie dough or pasta dough, so there's no need to let it sit in the fridge for hours before use. Once we began experimenting with these recipes, we dared to play around with our ideas as well and found the process pretty addictive. Number 4. Zwilling Fresh Vacuum Sealer. The Zwilling Fresh Vacuum Sealer is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their meal prep and reduce food waste. This comprehensive set includes a large vacuum food storage container, 4 vacuum sealer bags in various sizes, and a rechargeable vacuum sealer machine, offering a complete solution for preserving freshness. One of the standout features of this system is its ability to keep food fresh for up to 5 times longer than traditional storage methods. This not only saves money but also reduces the frequency of grocery trips. The easy zip closure on the bags makes meal preparation a breeze, encouraging healthier eating habits by simplifying the process of storing pre-prepared meals. The versatility of the Zwilling Fresh Vacuum Sealer is impressive. The reusable bags are perfect for packing snacks for work, school, or leisure activities. Number 5. Avid Armor Vacuum Sealer. The Avid Armor Vacuum Sealer is a robust and versatile kitchen appliance designed to revolutionize food storage and preservation. Its standout feature is the 10 removable seal bar, equipped with dual sealing wires that guarantee tight, reliable seals every time. The adjustable heat control allows for perfect sealing of various materials, from standard 3mm and 4mm pouches to Mylar bags, making it ideal for freeze-dried or dehydrated foods. The removable seal bar also ensures easy cleaning, maintaining hygiene in the working chamber. User-friendliness is at the forefront of this device's design, featuring an intuitive control panel with preset options for vacuum and sealing times. The one-touch marinating cycle and progress indicator lights further enhance its ease of use. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.